What's up, traders? A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. And sorry for the late videos today. I was really busy this week, but I'll try to upload a video earlier from next week. So what do we have right here? Price has now broken above this level of major resistance that has now turned support. Price is nicely trading above 50 EMA. We had a pullback and then price has pushed up massively. Now I was waiting for a sell signal here, which we did not get. Now if we have no signal, we enter no trades. At this point we have our FIP tool ready here, and for aggressive traders we have a limit order, a buy limit order right at the 50% retracement with a pullback, and then targets can be 1.618 retracement right here on one. I'm going to go through currency.com in a moment. For less aggressive trader, pullback of few candles, retest of the zone which is 2.426, that goes down to 2.341. This whole zone will be my trend continuation buying zone. Pullback followed by a bullish engulfer, and then price will likely push up. Now it's turned bullish until we hit the next major level of resistance. Now we also have the overbought situation in the RSI, and with that price has now broken above, and that is why I'm expecting some correction, expecting some pullbacks. So that is what I'm looking at, a good pullback before the price will continue to push up. Right, I've just redone the resistance zone as well, and the next zone we have is 2.593 goes up to 2.653, from where we are going to enter our sell trade with one of the entry conditions like bearish engulfer, which we had recently right here. If we have a condition like this, we are good to go short, or double top entry pattern inverted hammer is one of my entry condition as well. So for now I'm just expecting a pullback aggressively, 50% retracement, a push up to 1.618 retracement. Initial targets will be 180R. Less aggressive way will be pullback of few candles, and the target will be 180R to 280R for your initial targets. That is what I'm looking at for nat gas. Have this FIP tool ready in front of you, have the resistance up there so that you prepare yourself to take your trades. Right here on currency.com, 2.478 goes up to 2.554, a zone from where we can expect another push up. From now we can pull out a Fibonacci tool here as well, 50% retracement right here, which is 2.542. From here we can get another push up. 180R will be initial target, and target 2 will be right here, 2.692 will be your take profit 2. So have these zones on a chart, less aggressive way, again with a pullback of few red candles with bullish engulfer from this area of value, and then price will likely push up. The next resistance zone here is 2.743 goes up to 2.810, from where we're going to enter our sell counter trade with bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern. So have these zones on your charts, get ready, prepare yourself and enter with conditions only. Let's check gold. So gold is still ranging in this area, is not breaking and closing below this consolidation area. So we'll still see how it goes. I'm not trading gold anymore unless and until I get a clear signal of a pullback with bullish engulfer. I want to see a new high, and with a pullback, if we have a clear signal like a bullish engulfer with a pullback, only then I will enter my buy trade. Once we have a good condition, we will go long as we have above 50 and 20 EMA. And the next selling zone for gold is 1999.40 goes up to 2009.20. If we have a breakout below, the zone below is 1895.22 goes down to 1871.59, from where we will enter buy counter trades with bullish engulfers, double bottom entry pattern. So have these zones and get ready, and only enter trades with conditions. Now silver is now in the process of making head and shoulder pattern. I want to see a hit of my termination zone right here. Once we have a hit of this zone, I want to see a bearish engulfer. If we have a bearish engulfer, we have a completion of head and shoulder pattern, and I will go short. Stop loss will be above the rejection zone. Take profit wherever you want to take it, and we'll see accordingly how it goes. So this rejection zone is my area from where I will enter short trade if I get a reason to enter. The last one we have crude oil. Crude oil is now pushing back up from this resist support area. We had a nice fall from this bearish engulfer. Now price has broken above 50 EMA. I'm only expecting a good push up from crude oil, and I'm only going to take my buy trades followed by bullish engulfers with a pullback until the price hits minor zone above, which is 73.49 goes up to 74.24. Once the price hit this zone, I'm expecting some pullbacks, and then price can continue to push up again. So have these zones on your charts, enter your trades with the conditions. Once we have conditions, we are good to go short or long accordingly. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.